Hi everyone. In the last video, we talked about how we can take the registered model and deploy it. Now, I would like to switch gears a little bit and talk about some of the cool capabilities of MLflow that make it really exciting to use. In this video, we are going to be looking at nested runs in MLflow. Let's see what do they mean. Lecture 7.py. I'll just quickly import MLflow. I will set my experiment as nested run demo, and we will get started with the creation of nested run. So the idea behind nested run is that there would be a parent run. Okay, let's create a parent run first. So mlflow dot start run, and inside here I will call this run name as parent run. Okay, and we can also alias this context manager just like we do it while opening a file. So as parent run, we can print its information parent run, maybe parent run dot info dot run id. Okay, and then within this we can, so let's first log the, so mlflow dot log param theta, and let's say 100. Okay, let's create a child run within this. I can specify the run name as child run 1 as child run 1, and here I can print Control C its properties child run, and here inside here I can specify child, and I can copy paste it multiple times to create multiple child runs. Okay, so I'll say child run 2, child run 3, child run 2, child run 3, child run 2, and child run 3. Now let's run it, although I can also log things, but let's just run it the way it is right now. Okay, so we are getting some error. Let's see where exactly is the error. It's saying run with, okay, so I think we need to provide the parameter as nested is equal to true. Nested is equal to true. One second, not here, sorry, not in the parent. So parent run was created, but since parent run was active, child run we could not create child run. Let's print, let's pass the nested is equal to true, and let's use nested is equal to true here as well. Let's run this one more time. Okay, so you see this parent run, child run, child run, child run. So this is how it is done. Let's look at it in our UI. So nested run. So now I have got parent run. This was the earlier one, and you have to understand that names can be duplicate as well. So if I expand this, click on this plus icon, you see this child run, child run. Now what would be the ideal scenario where we can potentially use this feature, where let's say one run can correspond to a larger feature, and then multiple nested runs can correspond to something more specific within that. One example that people often use this nested run feature is for hyperparameter tuning. So that is one of the use case that you can potentially go for. So yeah, so that is what I wanted to demo. I'll see you in the next video.